Hello friends, I am Suchi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between non-cyclic photophosphorylation process and cyclic photophosphorylation process. As already we have discussed about this non-cyclic photophosphorylation process and cyclic photophosphorylation process. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, both the pigment system 1 and pigment system 2 are associating with each other to carry out the process. But in cyclic photophosphorylation process, only pigment system 1 is taking part. So only pigment system 1 is taking part to carry out the process. As both the system are taking part in this process, but pigment system 2 is the initiator for non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, or you can say from pigment system 2 process will start. As only pigment system 1 is taking part in this cyclic photophosphorylation process, so here process will start from pigment system 1. You will find both the pigment system pigment in upraised part of granule thylakoid. Suppose this one is a chloroplast. These are the thylakoid membrane. These are the stroma lamella, or you can say freight membrane. In this part, you will find both the pigment system pigment. This upraised part contains pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. As both the pigment system are participating in this non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, so this granule thylakoid is the main site for non-cyclic photophosphorylation process. But pigment system 1 pigment you will find in this non-upraised part and in stroma lamella. So here cyclic photophosphorylation process will occur in stroma lamella, or you can say stroma lamella is the site for cyclic photophosphorylation process. As this process name shows itself in this process. Electrons are not coming back to their own reaction center from where they have been arise. But in this case, electrons are coming back to their own reaction center after completion of their process. Here electrons are coming back to their own reaction center. As this non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, pigment system 2 is the initiator. From there electrons are expelling and process is getting start. Those electrons pigment system 2 are getting from water. So here pigment system 2 is getting, or you can say absorbing, electron from water. When water is getting split in chloroplast. But such type of process is not occurring here, because when this pigment system 1 is getting nearly 700 nanometer wavelength of light, that reaction center is getting excited and releasing electron. And the splitting of water in this case is known as photolysis process. So in non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, photolysis process is occurring in chloroplast. And this process is not occurring in case of cyclic photophosphorylation process. In this non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, ATP, NADPH2 and oxygen are the product. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, ATP and NADPH2 are getting synthesized and oxygen is getting evolved from water molecule by photolysis process, or you can say in presence of solar light, when water is getting split, oxygen is getting evolved from water. But in cyclic photophosphorylation process, only ATP are getting synthesized. So here ATP is the only product. This is all about the difference between non-cyclic photophosphorylation process and cyclic photophosphorylation process. Thank you.